Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 2nd of June 2024, and I'll be going over week 22 or 23's results for Tesla's front testing based on option chains. If you are wondering where these predictions come from, go view my channel since there are in-depth videos going over the rationale behind these based on the option chain. So now we see that the option chain predicted that the market would go down last week. Not the case. There was a 1.68 point rise in Tesla, which is a minus 0.95% loss gain, 0.95% loss this week, bringing our cumulative P&L now down to minus 44.73%. And our alpha went down to minus 23.15% because Tesla only went down 0.65% this week. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.